Hello everyone. Today's tutorial will walk you through on how to create rules in Gmail to filter your emails. To start, open up your Gmail account. The first way is to click on the email you want to filter. Now, you click on the three dots beside the existing mail. Now you click on filter messages like this. You add the words where you want to filter the message. The second way is to click on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen to access your settings. Now you click on See All Settings. Then you select the filters and blocked addresses. Now you click on Create a new filter. Select the search criteria you want to choose for the email. In the Ask the Word sections, you select the search criteria. Right. Once you've done that, you click on Create Filter. You will then be asked to specify what should happen to the email. Then you tick the boxes for all the actions you want to happen to the email. You can choose to skip, archive it. You can choose to mark as read. You can choose to star it, to forward it, to delete it. You can also choose to categorize it. So let's choose one here. Once you are done with your selection, you click on Create Filter. Now you go back to the filtered and block addresses and you can see that your new filter is there. It has been created there. So that's it, guys. You are now ready to create rules in emails to filter your emails and keep them organized and intact. That's all for the video. Please like and subscribe for more useful video content like this. Bye guys.